Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make these bagels with eggs, artichoke, cheese, and spinach. Alright, so I'm just going to take up my baby spinach and just break it up into smaller pieces. And then I'm going to add my artichoke hearts. I actually prefer the ones from Trader Joe's, but these are the ones that I have today. You can use whatever kind of artichokes that you like. Also, y'all, there's no measurements to this. I'm using 2 bagels and I'm going to cut them in half. So this is basically going to be 4. So I just eyeball how much I think I need to use. So however much spinach and artichoke or whatever you want to use, just adjust it to your liking. Okay, so I'm just tossing that stuff around, and then I'm going to add some onion powder. I accidentally put a little much. I'm adding some garlic salt. I'm going to add some black pepper and some mozzarella cheese and mix that all together. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just going to scrub me up some eggs. I'm using 3 eggs, and I'm going to use some salt, pepper, and everything but bagel seasoning. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be using these everything but bagels. And I'm just putting the mixture on there. I'm putting the eggs first, and then the spinach and artichoke mixture. And then I'm going to add some more of that mozzarella cheese on top because I love cheese. So yeah, I want my bagels to be real cheesy. And then I'm going to pop them in the air fryer when I'm done. You can cook them for like 5 to 7 minutes on 370 and they should look perfect. Alright, y'all, so this is the end result. If y'all try this recipe out, let me know how you like it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.